Insulating the windows has many different factors to it. First and foremost, of course, you want to make sure that you're selecting a high-quality product that's got double pane, dual OE argon, meets Energy Star's criteria for the climate that we live in. They make recommendations, whether it's a double pane or a triple pane. Sometimes those are considerations for a homeowner. So selecting a high-quality product that's got dual OE glass in it at minimum, that's going to then of course reflect the heat back to where it came from. That's how that type of glass works. The argon gas is in between the two panes of glass, just an added insulator. The low E are coatings, again, that act like a mirror and reflect the heat back to where it came from. The other part of that is making sure that that product is put in correctly. We offer many different window installation methods. It is, our exterior consultants' responsibility at the time of the initial consultation to make sure that they're looking at the product that you have in the house. A lot of times that will determine which material that we recommend that you go with in terms of the window itself, but also recommend the type of installation method that we are going to propose to you. What we see is in Kansas City, a lot of companies just pull out the sashes and leave behind the original frame. What we do here is something that's completely different. We want to pair a high quality installation process with a high quality product, and what that guarantees us is that we're going to have a successful installation in totality. A few of the things that we're going to do differently than most other companies here in the area is we're going to remove your exterior trim. What that allows for us to do is it exposes your buck frame. Within that buck frame, generally speaking, there is a lack of insulation. So meaning that if the window is extremely thermally efficient, what's going to happen is that that thermal transfer is then going to happen around that window. Well, we don't want that to happen either. So what we do in those areas is fill it with non-expanding window and door foam. We then use a butyl tape system called zip tape, very sticky, heavy adhesive tape that goes down onto your substrate and then folds over onto the side of the window frame. So that is another added layer that's going to help keep that thermal transfer from happening. In addition to that, of course, we'll finish it off with the appropriate trim selected by the homeowner, making sure that we've got all proper flashing installed as well. Managing, moisture is equally as important as making sure that we don't have any warm or cold air transferring between the outside and the inside of the house.